Okay, let's get my line down here. Let's make the left side look like the right side. So it looks like, first of all, I went over this, harping on it, still people doing it in my third period class. Is that going to fly? No, why not? Why can you not just cross out anything you want? If there's what? Addition or subtraction, which there is obviously a ton of here, so you can't just cross off whatever you feel like. All right, so I'm going to ask you guys to help me to factor now. So let's start top left. X squared plus 9x plus 20. Hi. Well, we just walk in whenever we feel like, or?
I just went the wrong way, so.
Are you new to the school? We'll talk later, because that's not going to fly in here. All right, here we go. Who's got one? Okay, let's go. Help. X squared plus 9x plus 20. Okay, what did he do to factor that? Two numbers that multiply to 20 and add to 9. Done. Right? Two numbers that multiply to 20 and add to 9. Done. X plus 5, x plus 4. Okay, here we go. Bottom. Need some help on the bottom. You can factor the bottom. Okay, who had 7? This is why I probably should add new numbers to begin with. Nobody had 7? Okay, who had 10? Eight x plus 16. I don't care. Let's get going. I want to factor 8x plus 16. Okay. What do I always ask you to look for first, Brandon? Take out. Okay, which is? Okay, what's left when you take out the 8? Okay, left side's all done. Let's go to the right side now. I'm going to skip over the top. I'm going to go right to x squared minus 25 because hopefully that'll be quick. Hopefully 6. What do you got? X squared minus 25. X plus 5, x minus 5. Okay, next person's going to have to work with me here to factor the top there. All right, who's got 15? Okay, hey, go ahead. Go ahead. Drop some knowledge. Go ahead. Okay, you can take out a 4 first. There is a GCF of a 4. So go ahead, take out a 4, and what are you left with? Notice I'm doing this off to the side because I don't want it to get disorganized here, because what can I still do inside that parenthesis? Factor one more time. All right, so I bring down the 4, factor what's inside the parentheses, two numbers that multiply to 4 but also add to 4. X plus 2 and x, there we go, nice job, plus 2, plus 2. Does it look like the right side yet? Nope, that's probably because we have to simplify now. After everything's factored, it's time to simplify, which is known to probably most of you as cross-out time. All right, so here we go. What can I cross out? 3, what can I cross out? X plus 5, so I like it. See you later. Next thing I can cross out. 8, what can I cross out? X plus 2. Hey, now let me get to this point. How many x plus 2s are showing here? There's 3 of them, right? But I only can get rid of a pair that's on the top and the bottom. Can't get rid of those 2 because they're both in the numerator. Just one of each. All right, one of each. The other x plus 2 stays there. All right, I'm going to keep going. Anything else we can get rid of? Here we go. 8 again. Look at that. 4 in the 8, and what are you left with? 2 on the bottom. Everyone see what you just did? 4 over 8. Twice on the bottom. I think that's about it. So everything looks pretty neat, organized. Let's see what's left now. What do I have left on top? An x plus 4 and an x plus 2. We do not need to multiply these. Leave it. Leave everything in your parentheses. And what's left on the bottom now? Be careful. The 2. and the do not multiply. Leave it. Leave it. No need to multiply. And ding, ding, ding. What's it look like? Right side. That's what we needed. Right side. That's what's real nice about these type of problems. They look intimidating, but if you don't come up with the other side, you did something wrong. Don't try to fudge it either. It's pretty obvious. Like you do all this work and it's wrong, and all of a sudden you came out with the right answer. That's a good move. All right, real good move. All right, you know you got the right answer when it comes out to be the opposite side. Questions from you guys at all on this? Okay, here's the deal. Class gets over at 12:26, plenty of time. You can use your Chromebook. You can use one of the books I have back on the shelf. Here's your group assignment right now. It is worth 22 points. Show all your work on a separate sheet of paper. When you and your group are done, you've agreed that this is the correct work and the correct answers, call me over and I will randomly choose one to grade for the whole group. So remember, whatever work you have down represents the entire group when you hand it to me. All right, so you guys got the rest of the time. You can also ask me questions. All right, feel free to ask me questions. Ethan, I'm coming back there.